welcome to another installment of Longview Alive. I'm your host, Aaron Brown. To start, we had our last full week of wineberry picking. It was amazing just how many of these berries were still available for harvesting. Within a few minutes, we had gathered a handful of the sweet treats. By midweek, we hosted our first outdoor workshop with Alexis Bocelli. She instructed us how to create a painting of the scenery that gave the Longview farm its name. On Saturday, we laid our mats on the grass as Ale Antonini guided us through a series of yoga poses. After stretching, we moved inside to participate in a crafting workshop. She showed us how to make dream catchers from the various natural materials found around the property. Finally, Sunday brought us together for the second session of the Nicino making process with Ricky Eller. The liquid from the walnut-filled jars were strained and sweeteners were added. Once the jars were shaken, samples were poured for taste testing. We encourage you to stop by the Longview farm. Take a stroll along the trails winding through the fields of grass and deep within the adjacent forest. You can also satisfy your artistic curiosities by browsing the variety of works currently on exhibit in the barn gallery. We are always excited to have you join us. See you soon.